Being the first and only UK facility to go through this adoption process is incredibly exciting for us. The otters that are going to come over here will be ambassadors for their wild cousins, which are keystone species. So my ultimate aim is to inspire people to come over here, see these as ambassadors, and then really think about how they can make small changes to impact the wild population and make a change for good.
It's kind of been a really unique shift over the last several years in the sea otter community. Essentially what's been happening is we're just kind of running out of space. Southern sea otters strand just as much as northern sea otters do, and so it's very challenging trying to find homes for them. So we actually wrote a permit getting permission through U.S. Fish and Wildlife to be able to transfer these animals to European facilities.
So this has been a 2.5-year pioneering global conservation project to successfully adopt a pair of northern sea otters. First thing we had to do was develop the perfect habitat for them to come over. So that was a great big step for us, building this multi-million-pound mammal rescue facility here in Birmingham. It's temperature controlled, we can mimic every sort of environment they would experience in the wild. We've had plenty of support from around the world to do this. I had to go to Alaska, which was an amazing experience, and work first-hand with these animals and the teams that are rescuing them on a daily basis.
The sea otters that we take in here at the center are actually deemed non-releasable by U.S. Fish and Wildlife. For us as the Alaska Sea Life Center, we're kind of this holding period, rehabilitate these animals, get them nice and healthy, and then eventually they will go on to another facility.
Otters are pretty special. They actually require a lot of maternal care from their moms. So when they come to us at such a young age, we actually have to step in and provide them with that maternal care and teach them skills, really important life skills such as grooming their fur, finding their food, diving, all kinds of life skills.
Sea otters are what we call a keystone species. So they're a crucial part to the environment to where they live, which is the kelp forests. Without them, they're sort of the farmers of the kelp forests. So they eat the urchins that would otherwise eat the kelp. So without them, the kelp forests are going to disappear. And they are a really important ecosystem, not just for out there, but for the whole globe, because they absorb carbon from the atmosphere as much as the rainforests. Without protecting this species, we are in trouble of increasing our effects of climate change. We are excited to invite guests not only from the city but from around the country to come and be part of this global pioneering conservation project.